Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.38. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 34.36% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 19.37% to 81.42%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 23.63%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between -9.66% and 172.61% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.35 and $34.24. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock upgraded to buy candidate. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price gained 2.7% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025. The price rose from $12.23 to $12.56. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.21%, with a day low of $11.81 and a day high of $12.78. Despite this volatility, there has been a 7.31% loss over the last 2 weeks. However, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 17 million more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in 51 million shares bought and sold for approximately $634.42 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98 and the lowest price was $4.32. Currently, the price is 49.72% or $12.42 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, continues to attract attention in the market following an exceptional quarter and a revenue increase of over 200% year over year, which has contributed to a rise in stock prices this summer. The company reports that its Polaris Voice AI is gaining traction across the restaurant industry, currently present in more than 14,000 quick-service restaurant locations, as well as in automotive and enterprise sectors. This positions SoundHound as a player focused on transaction layers with sticky, scalable revenue potential. This narrative of growth lends itself to optimistic comparisons with other AI companies and has fueled a recent surge in stock prices. However, the stock has experienced significant intraday sell-offs alongside concerns regarding a path to profitability that lacks earnings. Losses are increasing, and valuation multiples appear high compared to peers. In the short term, one should anticipate ongoing volatility. Strong earnings reports and customer expansions may lead to momentum rallies, while profit-taking, competitive pressures from larger companies like Amazon and Google, or any shortfall in guidance could trigger sharp declines. Looking ahead, the potential for long-term growth relies on the company's ability to maintain monetization, improve margins, and establish a clear differentiation for Polaris. If SoundHound fails to convert rapid revenue growth into sustainable profits, it is likely that valuation multiples will shrink, limiting long-term returns. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade and took a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright rated SOUN as underperform with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Wedbush gave SOUN a buy grade and also a hold action. Additionally, on that same Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock an overall strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also designate the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Given that the short-term average exceeds the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.93. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $12.44. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 24%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.70 and $11.12. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $11.70. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.12 and $10.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 97 cents between its high and low, or 8.21%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 8.78%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -3 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.71. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, This could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.70. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of August, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Home James Ming conducted an insider purchase of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. Also on that day, Mohajer Kivan conducted an insider purchase of 850,000 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on the 11th of August, Sharon Naitesh conducted an insider purchase of 450,000 shares of Class A common stock. Finally, on the same date, Zagersik Michael conducted an insider purchase of 450,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 7.613. Overall, insiders purchased 4,746,959 shares and sold 6,720,962 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.83, representing a decrease of 5.84%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of August, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 177/100ths of a dollar, starting at $12.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.